Hey, what's up guys? This is Chris Chavez. You're watching droidshark.com, and today we're going to take a look at an app called CGeo, and it comes to you from a developer named Carnero. Now, what the app does is, if you've never heard of geocaching, it's basically, you can go to www.geocache.com, and it's kind of like a scavenger hunt of sorts, but like in real life. So people are taking these little caches or treasure, and they're putting them in little boxes, and then they're going out and they're hiding them places. Now, you can use a little GPS device like your phone, and you can go out and you can find the caches, and you can take it out and keep it, whatever's inside, and put something really cool back in for the next person to find. So now the app is basically a locator of sorts. Now it like kind of plugs in or gets all the information from geocache.com, and it brings it right to your phone. So it lets you use a variety of ways of locating this secret treasure and finding it and just going out and having a good time. So really great app, highly functional. We're going to take a look at it right now. So, alright, so let's go ahead and open CGeo. Now, the first thing it's going to do is it's actually going to ask you to sign in with your geocache account. So, if you haven't made one, you can go to geocache.com and you can set up a free account for searching for all the neat little treasures and caches in your area. Once you log in, it's going to take you to this menu here. Now, all this is doing is basically giving you a ton of different ways and options of searching for your cache. You can see here at the top, there's caches nearby. Your stored caches are basically like the caches that you favorited from the list. You can search by coordinates, address, geocode, just so forth and so forth. If I click caches nearby, this will open up a big list of all the caches that are nearby to me. And it's going to list them in order of distance. So once you find one, you can open it up. It'll take you to the cache description, and this is basically like the caches page, and it'll show you just everything, how it's rated, the distance, exactly what it is, the attributes and terrain, and comments, the description. It's pretty in depth. If you like what you see here, you just click store, and it'll store it for later use. And let me get out of this. And when I go to stored caches, this is going to be all the ones that I stored from that list that we saw there before. So if I open one here, this will be one of my stored ones. It just takes you straight to the little cache page. Now, to navigate it, there's a bunch of different ways you can, search for the cache. So you save it into your favorites, and then you can click show on map. This will just show you the map. It's the Google map of where the cache is being stored. Really cool. It's showing the terrain view. Now, if you click navigate, there's a bunch of different ways you can navigate to it. Also, you can do compass. Compass will just show your traditional compass, and it's going to be pointing to the cache. It's going to show you where north is. Let's get out of that. Go navigate again. Radar is a little bit different than the other ones, because this one actually takes another external app that you have to download from the market called Radar. So once you try opening it, it's going to ask you if you want to download that one. And the Radar app basically functions with Google Maps and this app here. But yeah, it just gives you a cool little radar, and the closer you get to the cache, looks like this one's moving for some reason. And of course, turn-by-turn directions. So I'd probably use this one if I was far away from the cache and I was driving.
Head west on Boulder Canyon Road to...
Yes, we know. Alright, so yeah, that's pretty much it. Using this app, it seems like it's pretty simple. There's not really much I would change about it. The UI is simple, it's easy to use. Yeah, it's super functional. It didn't really give me a hard time at all, and there's just tons of ways to search for cache and stuff. So I think the developer did a really great job on this app. Okay, so that was CGeo, and it came to you from the developer Carnero. Pretty useful little app as far as locating cool little treasures or going on a treasure hunt and looking for caches and stuff. I never really had any idea on what geocaching was until I downloaded this app and tried it out for myself. But pretty fun. I went on my first scavenger hunt the other day and just found some really cool stuff. I think you guys will really enjoy it. You can download it right now. It's free on the market, so go pick it up. I'm Chris Chavez. This is droidshark.com. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.